Hey guys, I'm Ronin. She's Beverly, Prince, Telford, Reshma, and together
We're the AI Squad.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Okay guys, so many of you all have been asking us why we haven't been posting for the last couple of weeks. Well, I think it's time to show you all why. This guy is the reason why. Because as you can see, Telford was the main cause, but we're not gonna blame him because it wasn't his fault. Prince is going out of the camera. I think he's still camera shy, but he's getting used to it. So Telford, can you please tell us more about why we haven't been posted? What's going on with the face of yours?
Guys, actually I underwent a laser surgery, guys. So I had to take rest for at least a month. So that's why the 4 weeks break from our vlogging. So it's really good to be back, guys. And we're going to be posting soon. So this is just a video keeping you guys up to date. Why
we're not able to upload any video.
Exactly, guys. So we're going to be catching up now, and it's really good to see you all back again. And damn, it's really clear. I can see everything really clear, guys.
So Telford's doing really good now. I mean, we're not supposed to strain as much, but he can see phones and cameras, but not that too like that much. So you found the reason, and I think it's time to unleash another thing about our gang. So we have a new member, and sir, who's gonna introduce him?
The 6th partner of our gang is gonna be released really soon. Okay, so we are going to show who's that person or whatever creature to you guys soon. 3, 2, 1.
This is the 6th member.
This, guys, is Bruno. He's our pet. And he's in charge for the shots, guys.
Yes, he calls the shots. He's the newest member of our gang. He's one of the best members of the gang, and I can't see everybody.
Hello. Hello. Bruno says hi, guys.
Yeah, this is Bruno. Bruno, say hi.
Bruno.
Say hi. Okay, guys, so that's for our 6th member. So he'll be joining us in most of our vlogs. So stay tuned, and today we're going to be doing something. Telford has arranged something, so
I've arranged
just
a game for them, guys.
so we're just
let's
going to
see how
talk about
pans
that.
out.
So stay tuned.
Okay, guys, so now I've actually executed a surprise plan game for these guys. Since we're meeting up after a long time, I said, okay, let's do something interesting and something fun, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm going to give them a game, scavenger hunt, okay? So we are going to split up into 2 teams. So it's going to be Reshma and Beverly against Ronin and Prince. So it's girls versus boys. Okay, guys? So the winner of this game has to pick the dare for the loser. So that's what's going to happen, guys. So let's see who's winning and who's going to do the dare. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so right now we've started the game, and I'm going to give both the teams the first clue which leads them to the next, and that one so on. So let's see which team wins, and all the best to both the teams. May the best team win, okay?
best friends.
Okay, so shake hands, both the teams. Okay, whatever you want.
You're going down.
You're going more down there.
Okay, guys, so let's see who wins. So let's see what's the first riddle. Okay, guys, each team take one.
Oh, there's 2. I didn't know there's 2. Okay.
Okay, ready? So show the first.
First clue is
Show to the screen, huh?
a place where the children play night and day and love to sway. Let's go.
Understood. All the teams are in action right now. Let's see if the boys team found it. Both the teams are here. And I think the girls team is on to something.
I told you something.
Okay, the girls team. Okay, the girls found the second clue.
Okay.
Okay, the boys also found the next clue. So can you tell me what's on the clue? Come, let's go to light. Come on.
A place we look up high to, a place where something is raised to fly. A place we look up high to a place where something is raised to fly.
Guys, think.
Reshma. Why do you all keep following us? You're like cheeky. Y'all are following us. They keep following us, so don't trust them.
You're having the phone. The girls' team is having the phone. Okay, so I'm going to go to the boys. Okay. I have to stop. I'm not helping anyone, I swear.
A place to fly. Prince, put it outside, yeah?
I think they found it. Yeah, so I think that is it because that is where Telford has said where something is put up to fly. Telford, no helping them.
See, I'll just give you all one more thing. This is a place, so anywhere within this.
Hey, don't come near me, you cheaters.
Prince, come here.
Okay, guys, seriously, I'll have to go to Vasanai.
Okay, so we're so blind, huh?
We found a cracker.
Ron is blocking us.
Searching. They're searching. They're searching. Okay, so both of them got the clue.
Here, Reshma, hold this.
Okay, somebody has to open
blocking the
bus.
camera.
Somebody read the clue. Read the clue.
It used to be a place filled with water, but now it is a place filled with sand, stones, benches and trees.
Come.
Wait.
It used to be a place filled with water, but now it is a place filled with stones, benches, and trees. We know where it is. Leave, let them find it.
See, I'll just give you one more thing. This is a place, so anywhere within this. Okay.
Hey, don't come near me, you cheaters!
Prince, come here.
Okay, guys, seriously, I'll have to go to Vasanai.
I'm so blind, huh?
Okay, they're searching.
We found a cracker.
Ron is blocking us!
They're searching. They're searching. They're searching. Okay, so both of them got the
Here,
clue.
Reshma, hold this. It used to be a place filled with water, but now it is a place filled with stones, benches, and trees. We know where it is.
Okay. You found it? You find it? Okay, so they didn't find it yet, guys. Let's see which team finds it. So the girls are also come up, they catched up, and they still didn't find the clue over here yet. So, all the best.
Nothing to be the difference.
Okay, this part, since it's a big area, you can ask me for another clue. Do you guys want to ask for the clue?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so take out that paper.
It used to be a place filled with water, but now it is a place filled with stones, benches, and trees.
Okay, so the last word is a clue. The last word is a clue, guys. The last word is a clue. And the girls found the clue. One clue they found. And the boys also found the other
It's
one.
wet. There's nothing to see.
Oh god. Okay, looks like the boys got it. Okay, it's wet. Oh god.
We rode and came to this game. Okay, so we're just going to keep this as a challenging one because we rode and came to this game.
Road and came to this game. So let's check the thing we wrote on the road.
Bike.
Okay guys, so they decrypted the code. Now they are off.
Okay.
Dude, wait for the third one. More people. See, I feel the meaning. Yeah. It should have been like Beverly and one boy and Reshma and one boy. Okay, then looks like the boys found something, but I don't know. And they must go exactly to the right place, so we'll see.
So I think it's on my bike.
No, I think they took photos on your bike. So what did you guys ride and come on?
Okay, so this is
Ready for another one?
yeah.
So
Open.
let's see what the girls have found.
Go to the place started by the host, and those to come last will be there the most.
Okay, so think guys, both the better think, where did the host start the game?
Come, Reshma.
Where did the whole
You found
game?
it. You found it. Yes or no?
Finish.
finished there.
Okay, then boys team, girl team, wherever you all think is the place where it started, run there fast.
He said he finished finding the clue.
Okay, which is the place?
We started the game over there. The game we started was right over there.
We found that last
Finish.
one. Game over.
Okay, girls, where do you think the place started?
It started in the park.
Where the horse started it.
Where the host started it.
It's not in the park.
Come on, girls and
It
boys.
has
This,
to be here
this
only
was
then.
the final clue. Come on, wait.
Come back. We're done. Done.
So Beverly reached there first.
Hey, I was standing here just for so long. Ask him, I was
What?
No,
standing
I
here.
reached your
Beverly reached here first.
I came there first.
Beverly reached here first.
I was standing here just
He
now.
stood here, I stood by
I was standing there, I was standing here.
You can't be
no,
two.
no. He
You have to be as a team. What nonsense
You
is
said
this?
stairs. You were near
And
the
you said
stairs.
stairs.
You are lying.
Wait, both the teammates has to come. We both came.
Yes, we both were here first. Reshma didn't come. We said as a team just now. That's
Only one person.
That is not a thing. That is not a thing. Then we were here first. That is
No,
cheating.
that
That is cheating.
That is not cheating.
One more three going
He
on
told
right
it
now.
wrong. He first
Let's not think
cheated.
about wrong.
He first cheated.
Okay, tell.
He told
First
it
of all,
over there.
You said it's by the stairs.
That is wrong.
Okay.
So after that, Ronan and Chris came here. They didn't come over there.
Okay.
After I land there, only they
Okay.
came.
What did you just not tell me? You have to be at the team to be there.
Yeah, you have to give exception for her. Okay, she was not very far back.
A few moments later.
One.
We won. See, I came. That's because
Yeah.
you all found it before us. Because
See.
she couldn't run. So I
Once I
couldn't-
think that they want before one fast person. When
So I said-
So actually,
So I said it's okay. Let them go.
One eternity later.
okay. For guys who didn't
You're cheating.
For guys who didn't understand what just happened, the last thing was go to the place where the host started the game. Okay, so basically where I started the game was when my pen touched the paper to write these questions, which was basically on that wall over there. So Beverly ran immediately and touched the wall. So because Beverly touched it and we're getting exception for Reshma, they are the winners and
Reshma
Reshma can't
cheating.
run, guys. Reshma can't
This is
run.
all cheating. Wait. Where do you start? Did you start the game over there
3 days later.
by giving to her?
See, the
I
game
sta-
was started
this
when
is
he started
how you
writing
think,
the clues.
yes,
The clues
that is
were
where the game
over here.
started. You're not understanding. It's not cheating.
It is.
It's not cheating.
It is.
Okay,
That
leave
is
it.
why I told Reshma, first we have to go from there over
cheating.
here.
Okay, okay.
No.
It is.
No.
It is.
No.
It is. It is.
Okay.
See, they made me run so much.
Beverly and Reshma are the winners. So you guys have to decide what dare to give Ronin and Prince.
Hi there.
Cheating.
This is not cheating.
is.
Okay, if you want, we'll have one more round.
A bonus round.
Okay, guys,
So since
they are
Ronin is
requesting
arguing, because they
for
lost.
a bonus
We're gonna
round.
cheat if you're asking for
They're
it.
requesting for a bonus round, guys.
They came and stood over there. Y'all came and stood over here.
Okay, they're requesting for a bonus round. So let's give them a bonus round. Okay, guys, let's catch you guys in the bonus round. Wait. Okay, guys, so we're back with the bonus question which I have. I'm gonna ask each team a question. Actually, it's the same question for both the teams, but each team has only 2 attempts to answer that question. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys. Can I ask you guys a question, right?
Yep.
Yeah, you can ask. Yes. Just turn it.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you guys a question. Sure, can I ask, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you guys ready to answer the questions?
Yes.
Okay. So my question is, ready?
Yes.
How many questions did I ask you all from the beginning of the game?
Oh. No. That's not an
Is
answer.
that an attempt?
No.
Oh my god, I can't find the number.
Okay, so come on,
Here, Reshma, hold this.
1.
Hold this.
boys and girls. This question is.
4. No.
Is that an attempt?
Yes. 4.
It's 5. It's 5.
Each of y'all,
Wait.
y'all have 1 attempt gone. 1 attempt is gone. Are you sure?
It's 5. It's 5. No, wait.
Are you sure?
1.
Think properly, guys. You're not thinking straight. You're not thinking properly. Seriously, you're not thinking properly.
Where? I gave you one, no?
Oh, we have 4.
You hold this. I gave you one. I gave you everything, child.
5.
Is that your serious?
5.
Last?
2, 3, 5.
Five.
They
Definitely
said
not 5.
5. They said 4. First
Seriously,
attempt.
guys? Okay, so second attempt, final?
5.
Okay, I'm giving both of y'all again another chance. Tell me, last attempt. What is your final answer, guys? Fast.
It's 5.
5.
You?
Wait. Give us a minute.
Fast.
Give us a minute. Wait. 5.
What?
5.
You guys?
5.
And the answer is I told you to think properly, so both of y'all are wrong.
Actually 6.
I asked you guys 7 questions.
How is it 7?
After, even before I could start this video, I asked you, can I ask you questions? You all said yes. Can I ask you guys a question? Sure? Yes. I asked you.
That is not fair.
Yes! I said think properly. Till the answer, I'm asking you guys, think properly.
Okay, fine. So that's
Another
one.
question since both.
So guys, even in the bonus question, they had a tie. So I'm gonna ask them another question to settle this tie once and for all. Okay, so the question, and this time you'll have only one attempt, and the answer more nearer to the exact answer
Okay.
is gonna be the winner. Okay? So the question is, how long so far do you think was the duration of the game we played? Including the bonus question.
Yeah, yeah.
What we, the blah 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 blah, arguing, saying I won, blah blah blah, all that. So how long do you think was the game
Is it from
played
the
for?
starting?
Yeah, from the starting, from the staircase to when I
From
gave you
where
the
we
first
started
clue.
recording.
Yeah, from there till the bonus question what I gave, and you all gave the answer and all that. How long do you think? Okay, I don't need an exact value, guys. I just want something which is nearer, and those who's exactly near the value is the winner. Come on, guys.
Okay, we're ready. Let them finish and then we'll give our answer.
See, guys, I'm not talking exactly what is recorded on your video. I'm talking which is recorded on the camera from the time
Exactly.
which
So
you
you
ran. Okay,
guys
so no use of
hurry
looking
up.
at your
No,
phone.
no, I'm just, we are talking here. Wait.
Okay, fine. Group discussion. Have at it, guys.
Hey. Cheating.
Hey, I swear I did
cheating.
here. I already have my answer.
Listening to us.
She's just stretching.
That looks so bad. That looks like evil planning.
Dude, what are you doing, guys? Yeah.
Exactly, guys. Come on.
Hold
It's
on.
not an exam
Get a
paper.
I'm not asking after the editing of the video. No, I'm just randomly
Yes.
asking.
No.
Ready? Are you guys ready? Do you have
We're
an
ready.
answer?
We're ready. They should talk. It's not a very hard question.
Jesus
Hey,
Christ.
what? This is not.
Are you
Wait,
girls
that
talk a
was
lot?
again?
Duh.
Say the question again.
I said, how long is the duration from the time it started where I gave you the first riddle till the bonus question after you all told the answer and it was a tie and all the arguing, blah, 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 blah.
Can you see
stuff.
the camera timing?
No, you can't see the
How
camera.
can you see the
timing. What
camera
nonsense is
timing?
this? I'm
They're
asking
thinking.
a rough,
You're not
a rough
supposed to,
thing.
yeah.
And those team which gets it more nearer to it
What
is the winner.
nonsense?
Come on, fast, guys. You're taking a lot of time.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
We're ready. Hey, they're taking so long.
Ah.
Hey.
Okay. Girl first. Ladies first.
Okay, so we're gonna go say 22 minutes.
22 minutes.
Yes.
You guys.
We'll go with the...
The one which I told you before.
They're discussing after that. This
Yeah,
is not,
there's
this
no
is not
discussing.
started.
No.
No, you didn't tell the answer yet.
We didn't
Okay,
take answer.
guys. So, how long do you think was the duration?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
20.
Okay, so well, I think the
Oh, shit.
boys are more closer to the answer.
Oh man, what is the answer?
Should be about
It's
18, I think so.
Actually, about 16
19.
minutes.
I told
I wanted to go for 15.
Yeah.
I was the one who told you.
Thank God.
Didn't say anything.
It's actually 16 minutes. Not exactly 16. It's 15 something.
At
So,
least we won. We knew.
so the boys won.
They cheated and they won. To be honest.
Oh,
See,
please.
it's till this moment. Telford, your question was exactly till the bonus question, even now.
Okay, guys. So we finished the scavenger hunt, and the girls think they won,
Obviously.
and the boys think they won.
Please.
So we really need a big favor from you guys.
Yes.
Who you think won?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we just want you to comment down below. Okay, is it gonna be the boys or the girls? So your comments are gonna decide who's gonna be the winner and who's gonna be the loser. So in the next vlog, based on your comments, we're gonna see who's the winner and who's the loser. And guys, another thing, you guys have the privilege to help out in deciding the dare. So
The loser gets the dare and y'all get to choose the dare.
comment whatever kind of dare you guys want to see. Okay, it's just like a suggestion to the winners to give a dare to the losers, so you guys can help the winners in that way. So thank you guys so much, and I think that's an end for today's vlog. Let's see in next vlog what's gonna happen.
Bye guys.
AI Squad signing out.